This is the second of my derivation videos, so like before, please don't watch this until you've spent a good 10 minutes by yourself trying to do this. Derive using the defining equation W equals Fs, the formula delta EP equals mg delta H. Alright, so here's my attempt. Delta EP equals mg delta H, and they want us to use W equals Fs. Work done is a change in energy, and delta EP is the change in energy as well. So that's simple enough. W equals Fs can become delta EP equals Fs if the work is done against gravity. And that means the force is going to be due to gravity, so it's the weight. So F equals mg, giving us delta EP equals mgs. And displacement is the change in height as the object is lifted. It's delta H. So that leaves us with delta EP equals mg delta H. Notice that I've written a few things down there to explain what I'm doing. If I jumped from mgs to mg delta H, I wouldn't be explaining myself clearly. I wouldn't be deriving the equation. So, when doing derivations, take the time to explain, write some things down, put some actual words on a piece of paper, because remember, they've told you the answer. All they're wanting is for you to go through the steps and to clearly explain how to get from the defining equations to what they've given you at the end. Take your time, write clearly, and explain it for these questions.